Most people think losing fat is just about hitting the gym, but the real reason you're not losing fat, it's what you eat. Let me explain. Every time you eat especially processed food with sugar, white flour or fast food, your insulin levels spike. Insulin is a hormone, and when insulin is high, your body goes into storage mode. It stores fat, not burns it. Even if you exercise for hours, if your insulin is constantly elevated from bad food, your body refuses to burn fat. That's why some people say, I'm working out, but nothing's changing. The problem isn't your workout. The problem is your hormones and your food choices. Want to lower your insulin and actually lose fat? Eat more whole foods like yam, banana, oats, fish, and veg. Cut down sugar and flour. Space out your meals. Stop snacking every 2 hours. Sleep better, stress less. Fat loss starts in the kitchen, not just the gym. If you want personalized help with meals, weight loss, or fitness, DM me or subscribe now. I'll add you to my private group where I help people transform every day.